is gonna do his entire own video for you guys and the audience. I'm gonna hand this over. This is the power. You're gonna entertain them. Are you gonna entertain them?
Oh, bestow it upon me. All right. This is the worst car in America. No, okay. What am I saying here? What's the content here?
Show us your car.
Everyone knows this car. I've been driving this car for like 4 years.
Treat me like I'm 5 right now.
Okay. So we have a 240SX. It's S13 hatch. It's got Type 3 fenders on it. Then a JP fiberglass. Whatever. I got some Works 9 body kit on it. Enki wheels. TX5. Some Fanador mirrors. That's fake Ganadors. Yeah, you guys can put that together probably, right? Chrome vinyl. Classic 240 SX doors. SX. A brand new windshield. This is the coolest part about this car right now.
Sickest mod right now about the car.
It is so clear. Stock hood. Cool little LED headlights. PN Sports hatch. Type X tail lights. Ding! Trumpet tip. Ring ring. Yeah.
Where's your piece? You lost the piece?
This is my jack point entry zone right here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's got crack dash. eBay gauges, Harbor Freight boost gauge. Money shifter. Oh, I missed the steering wheel. That's my favorite part about the car right now.
Yeah.
You gotta come check it out.
Us.
This motherfucker's spitting right here. Check this. You gotta hit it in the sunlight. Check it. Look at that. It says "good feeling" engraved on it. That's the coolest part about this car right now. This is the NRG Matsuri wheel, aka a fake Hitman wheel, but I think it's cooler than Hitman because it is not cracked or rusty.
Or old.
Old. It's new, and I just think it's cool. It's really cool, and it literally says "good feeling" on it, so it doesn't get much cooler than that. Yeah.
And he has full interior now.
This
car was kind of stripped down.
It's always had full interior.
No, was it?
Always has. Yeah, guaranteed.
Oh.
It's the back plastic things are S13 coupes. They don't fit that well.
Is that why?
Yeah. Okay. Dink dink. Boop, boop. Here's the noisemaker. Red top SR20 with a hybrid valve cover. So you take an S14 or /S15 valve cover and cut it in half, cut it right there, weld on an S13, SR20 valve cover piece, then you got a hybrid one.
And then you get this sick non-fitting thing
Yeah,
back
this
here.
little cool mod. And then it's got fancy AN fittings on it that all go to this cool catch can that Alex, aka Corsa Tech, made me. It's got a modified circuit sports coolant overflow to be fancy and mount right here. Koyo Rad triple pass radiator, very awesome, keeps the car super cool. Some, I don't know, just generic eBay piping crap. HKS blow off valve, Megan racing manifold, S15 turbo running stock boost, stock actuator, no boost control or anything. Stock ECU, it's got BC Racing coilovers on it. Oh, look at that, coolant cap from a jug. Oh, look at this, look, an ARC, a really cool part. ARC cooling panel, the real part of my car, this one. Besides other stuff. Yeah, really fun car, always works, except for this weekend I had to replace the clutch in it, but that's because I bought an eBay one.
Picture in.
Idiot. Yeah, you gotta get like the broken plate one.
Yeah, I got some.
So yeah, just really good on tires. Runs Kenda tires, 235 40/18 up front, 265 35/18 in the rear. Fun car. Yeah, that's all I have to say about that. I love this car. I think it's amazing. I street drive it all the time.
Your episode's over. Give me the stick back.
Bye.
Are you done?
Yes.
Get out of here.